is our next temperature transmitter. This one is NCS TT108 temperature transmitter. And this one is for Profibus PA protocol. And you can see the interface for the power icon, slave address, and some input-output signal. And this temperature transmitter supports 8-channel temperature sensor input. It supports FF and Profibus PA protocols with wide range. It can be applied to a variety of thermal resistance and thermocouple sensors. And you can see the features. It supports multiple thermal resistance and thermocouple sensors, support 8-channel temperature sensor, and for the wire connection, it supports 2 or 3 wire connection mode. And for the thermocouple can be used code and compensation function, like same with our 106 temperature transmitter. And for this one, we also have certificates for the FF protocol. And this temperature transmitter with 8 channels support FF and Profibus PA protocol. So if you want to choose the multiple function with 8 channels or more channels, you can choose this one. And the temperature transmitter, this power and bus signal share one couple cable called bus cable. Customers is advised to use the dedicated cable, especially for fuel bus, recommended by IEC 611-5822. The bus connection terminal of this temperature transmitter is positioned at the very right of connection terminals. From the left to right, they are bus positive, bus negative, and earth. This bus positive, bus negative, and earth. On the left terminals of sensor's signal connection terminal chip, every 3 terminals in sequence from one channel's connection terminal and will connect channel 1 to channel 8 sensors. Of the left terminals of sensor signal connection terminal chip, every 3 terminals in sequence from one channel to the 8 sensors from left to right in sequence. Signal cable and bus cable shall not share wiring tube or open wire trunking with other device and shall be far away from high power device. There are 9 cable through-link connectors for outdoor box. The connector on sidewall left power or signal should connect field bus cable, and the cable connectors on inferior wall shall connect iris channel sensors to connect the cable from left to right. They are channel 1, channel 2, and to channel 8 in sequence. You can see this. And next, let me show you our application example. And for this, you can see we can use the NCS TT108 in high density temperature measurement requirements and using it to measure the temperature of each layer of the reaction medium in the reactor. The last picture is about our uniform control of pole Q temperature in glass fiber production. And this one can protect the inside very well, so you can install it in room or outside.